Hello guys, so today we are here to solve our daily lead code challenge for the day. This problem is very interesting and this problem is sort the jumbled numbers. So in this, we are given an int array nums. In that nums array, we have jumbled numbers, and the jumbled numbers are, they have been shuffled by using this mapping rule, which also is given as a form of array. And this mapping array contains elements from 0 to 9. So all the digits, and it tells that, the given number in that, nums, the digit in that nums, numbers in the nums array, how they have been shuffled. So using this, we have to, sort this given nums array. So we have to convert the given nums array to its original form, sort it in the, increasing order, and then return back the corresponding element of the original, in its original form of the nums array. So we have to, sort the nums array. First of all, we have to transform the nums array values and then sort it according to the transformed values, the nums array elements according to the transformed values, and return the nums array. So how are we going to do it? So the most important thing in this problem is that we have to associate the transformed value with the original value. How are we going to do it? I'm going to create a class, the pair class. I'll name it as, NumPair. Okay. And in this we have original. Okay. Okay. And then I'll be creating this constructor. Okay. And in this constructor, we'll be having this int original int. Okay. And then this dot original is equal to original. Like this. So this NumPair is going to associate each original value which exists in the nums array with its transformed value. And we have to write the logic of transformation also, the unjumbling. So the numbers in the nums array are jumbled. We have to unjumble them. So how are we going to do it? So first of all, I'll create one, I'll take the length of this nums array. Okay. And then I'll create one array of NumPair. Okay. An array of NumPairs is equal to new NumPair, and it will be n elements long because the input array nums is of that size only. So I'll be doing it like this, and then so I'll be using this constructor in the NumPair class, and then I'll be passing this nums of I into it, and then I'll be creating one unjumble function, and in that I'll be passing this nums I and the mapping, because I need to, use this mapping array to unjumble that. And after that, in the nums array, let's suppose that unjumbling is taken care of. And after that, what we need to do that in the given input nums array, I need to put back num pairs of I original back. And then just we need to return that nums. Okay. That will do. But the other important thing is that we need to write the unjumble function. Okay. Int array mapping. Okay. So this is going to return a nums. Okay, so we'll initialize this nums with 0, and then we need to put the values of this in digits in that incoming n, you know, input n of this function. So we need a multiplication value. First number will go to the ones position, so I will be initializing this with the 1. Okay, and then what we will do that we will take a loop, and this loop will run as long as n is greater than 0. Because what we are going to do, we are extracting the digits from the units place, units, tens, 100, 1000, all those separate digits we are extracting, and then we are putting it back with appropriate, multiplication with the mult value, and putting it and creating the new numbers n. So to do that, what we'll do that, int percent 10. So this will give us the digit at the unit place. Okay, first at the first iteration, it will give the digit at the units place. Then we need to transform that to its mapping value. What is, at what value this is getting mapped. So this is the thing. And then nums will be so val into mult. Okay, so because I need to multiply it, because why I need to, I'm dividing n by 10, because once I get that digit, that we don't need that digit. I need the next digit. So first of all, I'll be taking the ones place digit, then I'll be taking the tens place digit. So to discard that ones place digit, I need to divide it by 10. Okay. And every time I need to multiply it by 10, that mult. Okay. And after this, what we will do that, we will return this. We will return this nums. Okay. And I think now this will help us to solve our problem. Let me run this and see what is happening. So there is some problem. Okay, nums, it is not num, it's nums. Okay. Cannot find symbol, unjumble. Unjumble is the same, correct? Jumble is the same. Nums I int and mapping. Yeah, it's correct. Ah. Method unjumble. Unjumble nums int and private int. Yeah, it's correct. Wrong answer. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I need to sort it also. Arrays.sort num pairs comparator dot comparing int. This will take the int value pair. So every pair will be taking care of this pair, and pair dot transformed. Okay, comparing int. Perfect. So we'll submit it and see what is happening. Oh, we are getting a wrong answer. How come? 9 is getting mapped to 0. So this 9 is mapped to 0. Index 0, it is mapped. Oh, so it's single digit. So single digit 0 is getting mapped to 9. So 9 is getting mapped to. Oh, so this is the problem. 9 should be mapped to 0. So number. Okay. So I think I need to do here, if n is single digit, then because this is getting, n is greater than 0. So we need to return here mapping of n, and that will do, I think. Perfect. Perfect. So I think, we have solved this problem and this is a decent solution. We can optimize this further, but that will be, utilizing some more things. But as of now, this is looks to me as a decent solution. I hope you also like this solution. If you have any other comments, please post it in the comment section of this video. Any other doubt, please feel free to ask them. With this, I would like to, end this video. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy coding.